Stop drinking beet and pomegranate juice the traditional way. You're wasting 80% of its true power. If you're over 60 and looking to regain your physical energy and the vitality you've begun to lose, this video is the answer. Today, I'm going to reveal a secret that many people keep hidden. Why do professionals and experts add a pinch of baking soda to this red mixture? And how does this simple pinch, which doesn't cost you a single cent, turn your body into a nitric oxide storm that opens blocked arteries in just 15 minutes? Stay with me, because what you're about to see isn't just another natural recipe. It's the biochemical secret to restoring a man's natural performance and control over his vitality, explained in a powerful scientific way that will amaze you with its results from the very first time. Imagine that there's a forgotten key sitting in the corner of your kitchen. That key can restart your biological engine in just a few minutes. We're not talking about simply giving your circulation a general boost. We're talking about re-engineering blood flow to the areas where you thought age had already taken its toll. After 60, the inner walls of your arteries begin to harden and the production of the miracle gas that widens blood vessels starts to decline. This advanced protocol, which combines the power of the earth found in beets, the protective power of pomegranates, and the activating spark of baking soda, was designed specifically for the man who wants to regain complete control, physical vitality, and natural performance in the comfort of his own home, just as he had 20 or 30 years ago, with full strength and confidence. Why 15 minutes? And why baking soda in particular? Science tells us an astonishing fact. The absorption of the nitrates found in abundance in beets begins the moment the juice touches your salivary glands and the lining of your mouth. But the problem lies in your stomach's acidity, which may interrupt a large part of this reaction. This is where the pinch of baking soda steps in. It immediately raises the alkalinity of the environment, creating the ideal condition known as the fast lane for nitrates to be converted into nitric oxide in your bloodstream. This gas is the most powerful natural vasodilator in the world. The moment it enters your arteries, it sends signals to the lining of the vessel walls to relax and widen, allowing oxygen-rich blood to flow abundantly to your heart, your brain, and every vital part of your body, giving you an immediate surge of power that you'll feel in your pulse. Let's take a journey through your arteries after the very first sip of this elixir. From minute 1 to minute 5. The baking soda sweeps away your stomach's acidity and opens the gateways of passage in your small intestine. You'll begin to feel a slight tingling sensation or a gentle warmth starting in your fingertips and gradually rising toward your chest. That's oxygen reaching areas that have been deprived of it. From minute 10 to minute 15, this is where the golden moment happens. Your peripheral arteries expand by as much as an additional 30%. You'll feel a wave of energy, mental clarity, and a surge of vitality flowing through the centers of strength in your body, as though an electrical current has relit lights that had grown dim. Over the next 24 hours. The effects don't leave your body quickly. Thanks to its punicalagin compounds, pomegranate acts as a personal bodyguard that prevents the vasodilating gas from being oxidized and keeps your arteries flexible for many hours. That night, you'll notice that your endurance and responsiveness feel completely different because your cells' stores of vital energy have been fully recharged, and your circulatory system will be operating like a finely tuned clock. Here's how to prepare this miracle in your kitchen with professional precision to guarantee the best results. 1. The ingredients. Half a cup of raw beet juice, preferably fresh to ensure the highest nitrate concentration, plus half a cup of natural pomegranate juice with no added sugar. 2. The real secret. Add just 1 pinch of baking soda, the amount that fits on the tip of a small spoon. 3. The intelligence reaction. You'll immediately see a lively, fizzing reaction. That fizz is a visual representation of what will happen inside your system. Here's my golden advice. Wait until the fizzing has completely stopped before drinking it. Why? Because we want the chemical reaction to finish inside the glass so the juice can go directly into your bloodstream without causing bloating or gas, allowing you to receive the pure benefit. 4. The royal timing. The best time to drink this mixture is 30 minutes before physical activity or intimacy on an empty stomach, or as the very first thing you do in the morning to ensure a day filled with strength and vitality. But how do you know the protocol has restored the performance you're looking for? 15 minutes after drinking it, perform this simple test. Stand up straight, take a deep breath, and stretch out your arms. Pay attention to how quickly your breathing recovers and how warm your hands and feet become. If you feel energy flowing through your entire being and notice that your movements feel lighter, then you now have a circulatory system functioning with the efficiency of a man in his 30s. Always remember, baking soda is the spark that lights the fuse, while beets and pomegranates are the fuel that keeps the engine running. Repeat this protocol 3 times a week and watch how your life begins to change and how your confidence returns with every step you take. Don't keep this secret to yourself. Share it with every man over 60 who wants to regain his natural strength. Write "activated" in the comments right now so we can recognize the heroes who began their journey to reclaim their youth today. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. If you suffer from chronically high blood pressure or have kidney problems, consult the physician managing your condition before adding baking soda to your diet to ensure the highest level of safety. Stay healthy, strong, and well.